It's payday today, so let's budget my first paycheck of the month. I make about $65,000 a year, and after taxes and deductions, my bi-weekly paycheck comes to around $1,800. This week wasn't as depressing since our tax refund also came in, so there was a little more money than usual in our joint account, but my credit card bills did come in at $1,660, which is about my whole paycheck. I send $600 automatically to the joint account to help with the shared bills, so the joint started at around $5,100 and my personal at around $1,780. Our mortgage is about $2,700, and then other bills around $240 minus our shared credit bills, which are $330, leaving that account to about $1,830 for the end of this payday. So for now, I'll leave that as a cushion. Looking back at this video, I probably should have just sent $500 of that to my high yield savings account, but yo girl just was not thinking straight. My personal credit bills were about $1,330, and then I also paid my student loans, which are $300. And since we had some cushion this month, I also invested $100, leaving my personal account with about $50 left. And I once again make a solemn vow to stop browsing around Target and online shopping sites because I clearly just can't control myself. Though I'm not negative this month, I pretty much am kind of negative this month. Well, see you next time.